I'm going to show you the full guide of Inshot. I mean the complete guide of Inshot. Before I show you, my name is Okpotatv and this is my official channel. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. And for my first subscriber, thank you for coming back. So for those of you who do not understand the meaning of Inshot, Inshot is an app that you can use to design or edit your video just as others app do. With the help of Inshot, you can use it to edit your video as a pro. And in this video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how you can be able to add different effects and how to add voice, how to remove background. And also in this video, I'm going to share the free pro version with you. If you go outside there to get the pro version, you are going to pay for it. But in this video, I'm going to leave the link in the bottom of the description of this video, so that you go there to download the paid version for free. So that anything you are going to do or to download or to edit in this Inshot, you are not going to pay anything at all. Everything is totally free. So all you have to do, if you have not subscribed before, please hit on the subscribe button, like the video, drop your comment and share it with other people. So without wasting time, I'll walk you through the process now. And remember, this video is going to be lengthy, so because of that, I'm going to make it step 1, step 2, step 3. I think it's going to reach step 5. So after the step 1, I'm going to bring up the step 2, and the step 2, when I upload it, I will press it at where my hand is pointing to. You will install the pro version, because in this video that I'm about to share with you, you must make use of pro version of the Inshot, because without the pro version there are many restrictions that are there, which means you cannot use some of the features there. That's why you need the pro version. And if you want to download the pro version for free, you go to the description of this video. The link to download the pro version for free, I've already inserted it there. All you have to do is just to click the link and it will direct you to where you are going to download the pro version for free. And if you want to download the app from Play Store, you can go to Play Store and download it, and you will pay for the pro version after downloading it from Play Store. So you have to choose from the two. So after you have installed the Inshot on your phone, all you have to do is to open it. And this video that I'm about to share with you is introduction on how you can insert video and export the video to your SD card. I mean how you can insert video or photo or blank background, or how to export it, how to export your saved video, or how to export your edited video to your SD card or to your internal storage or external storage. So after you have installed it, you open it, you can see what is showing here on my screen. Then you touch on this option here, video. This is where you are going to touch. So once you touch it, it will open to you. From here now, let me touch it. It will open like this. All you have to do is to click on new, and you can see new here. This is new. You can see it here where the arrow is pointing to. Then after you click it in new, it will open to where you can see all your video, all your photos all together. You will see it there. From here now, this is where I can see all my videos, and you can see them here. Then if you want to see your photos, you just screw it to the other side like this. You see photo at the top where the arrow is pointing to here. And if you want to see both your photo and video together, you screw it to this option here. But you want to see only video, you leave it at the first option here. So I'm going to start from the blank, which means I'm going to bring just empty background without picture, without image, without a sound, anything at all, without anything, to start from the scratch. Meaning that you are going to put things one by one and arrange them as your full video. From here where the arrow is pointing to is where you will select from blank, and from here now, once you touch it, it will be an ordinary background, just dark background. So I will touch it for you to see an example on how it looks like. So let me touch it from here now. I've touched it. After you have touched it, you see this mark here that is showing good at the bottom where the arrow is pointing to. So you touch it after. So let me touch it for you to see from here how it may look like. So you can see here on my screen that nothing is showing on this background that is supposed to display the video. It's just showing only blank. So from here now, if you want to extend it to any length, maybe to 3 hours, maybe for example, maybe to 1 minute or 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, how you want it to be. Maybe if you are writing script, if you are writing script for your video, I think you prefer this blank background. for you to do your script. And from here now, you can extend it to how many minutes or to hours that you want your video to last to. So from here now, you can see that I'm extending it from seconds to 2 minutes 56 seconds 7 nanoseconds. So from here now, you can see from here you add anything that you want to add. From here you add anything that you want to add, and you can see from here, this is where you are going to add anything that you want to add. So from here now, if you don't want to, maybe for example, you don't want to insert blank background, that you want to start from video. So all you have to do is to click on this plus. Here, and you can see it here. Is to click on this plus. Then when you click it, it will direct you back to where you can select picture or video, or where you can see all the video plus picture together. So from here now, you touch the plus, and it will show the first one here. The first one here showing blank, while the other one showing video stroke photo. So from there, you select if it's photo that you are going to edit or video. You select from where the arrow is pointing to. So let me touch. For example, I'm going to edit video, so I touch on the video stroke photo. So from here now, this is where my video are currently now. So this is where my video are, which is the section of the folder to my video. So I will touch on any of the video there. After you have touched it, then you touch. Remember what I told you. After you have touched the video, you will look at the button seeing good circle here. Then you touch it. From there now is a picture a photo that is a touch. Yeah, it's a video. So from here now, all you have to do is to touch. If you want to edit it, you touch the video. Then from here you can edit your video or the photo. Then if you want, maybe you want to edit, you want to insert a photo. This is where you touch. Then you scroll it to photo. You touch the photo from here. You touch the photo from this angle here. For example, you touch the photo from this angle here. After you touch it, you touch on the glue. Then this is where you can see it from here. This is how it looks like. You can see here, move the photo to edit where you want it to be. So that is how you insert blank background, or that is how you insert photo or video to Inshot. And after you have done that, you touch on the photo or the video, then you do your editing from this option at this up here that I'll be scrolling, and this is where it is. You can see from here you do your editing from this angle here. So from then, after you have edited all the video or the photo, then all you have to do is to, after you have through with everything, you come to this option here to export your video, mean to save your video. Then you touch export. From there, after you have touched it, it will pop up something like this to you on your screen. You can see from here, which is resolution. This is where you select how the video you want it to be, maybe 4K video or 3K video or 2K video, how you want it to be. This is where you select it. And the other one here, which is the frame ratio, this is where you select the background, how you want the video to be. You want the background, which is the background of the video, to be dark, or you want the video to be dull. This is where you select it. And from here you see the other option here, format. This format is where you can convert it to MP3, MP4, JPG, PNG. This is where you select it. And from there you see the estimated size. So all the video that you have edited, this is where you can see the size. And if you want to reduce the size, this is where you select from here or here. These two options here, resolution and frame rate. From these two options, you touch it. When you touch it, you can reduce the size of your video from this size to a lower size. So that is how you insert video or photo or blank background into Inshot. And from there you export it from here. Once you touch on this export, then it will automatically be saved to your SD card or internal storage or external storage. Drop your comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, and also share it with your friend.